Welcome to another installment of Wall Chart Wednesday. Today we're going to talk about a problem afflicting many rotating machines, to be specific, AC induction motors and also DC motors. It's AC induction motors in particular are those that are outfitted with variable frequency drives, that is VFDs. The problem that we're seeing is electric current passing through rolling element bearings. There we have electrical current flow flowing from the shaft through the rolling elements and the bearing components, and then to the other side of the shaft, on the opposite side of the bearing. If you look at a vibration spectrum, it's a very unique type of spectrum. You have your normal 1 times RPM and 2 times RPM, and then everything appears healthy until you get into the higher frequency regions, up as high as 6,000 hertz, 360,000 CPM. These sidebands are the key for which you're looking. Those sidebands are 95% of the time the outer race frequency for a particular bearing. Whether the fault is afflicting both the outer race and the inner race of the bearing, 95% of the time the sidebands are spaced at the outer race frequency. And notice something very important. Down here in the lower part of the spectrum, you don't see 1 times outer race or 2 times outer race or 3 times outer race frequency. Nothing's there with regard to bearing fault frequencies. They only show up as sidebands around the carrier frequency in their higher frequency regions. For more information about this important problem, please refer to our website at technicalassociates.net or order a wall chart itself from our website. Thank you and have a good day.